being lied on. Oh, I've been there.
I've been there.
If you're talking about being beauty and scorn, yeah, oh, I've been there. Yes, I have.
I've been there.
Saints of God tonight, I've been up. I've been down. I've been sometimes level. I've been level. Oh, I've been level to the ground. Somebody feel like me. If you're talking about being lied on, being beauty and scorn, can't you see I've been there? Yes, I have.
I've been there.
If you're talking about trouble in your home, I believe somebody feel like me. Oh, I've been there. Yes, I have.
I've been there.
Somebody know what I'm talking about. If you're talking about family, friend doing you wrong, yes, don't you know the night? Oh, I've been there. Yes, I have. I should have been there. Let me tell you about me tonight. I've been abused. I've been misused. And a lot of you out there looking back, so many times I've been false. I've been false. I've been false with you. Hey! If you're talking about family and friend doing you wrong, trouble in your home, somebody ought to be able to say, I've been there. Yes, I have. I should have been there. Oh, I've been there. Yes, I have. I've been there. I've been down to my lowest point. Anybody ever been down and out? I want you to know I've been